Apple Inc., with its iconic logo and widespread influence, stands as a testament to innovation and strategic foresight in the technology industry. Founded in 1976 by Steve Jobs, Steve Wozniak, and Ronald Wayne, Apple has grown from a garage startup into one of the world's most valuable companies. Known for its sleek designs, user-friendly interfaces, and pioneering technologies, Apple has consistently set new standards in a variety of sectors, including personal computing, mobile phones, and digital services. In the late 1970s, Apple's journey began in Cupertino, California. Jobs and Wozniak, driven by a vision of making computing accessible and user-friendly, introduced the Apple I, a computer unlike any other in its simplicity and potential for personal use. The Apple II, launched in 1977, became a massive success, credited with popularizing the personal computer. However, the path was not without challenges. The company faced stiff competition and internal disagreements, particularly around the direction of product development. The ethos of innovation at Apple is deeply rooted in its culture. The launch of the Macintosh in 1984, with its graphical user interface and mouse, was a game-changer in personal computing. This spirit of innovation continued with the introduction of the iPod in 2001, revolutionizing the way we consume music, and later the iPhone in 2007, which transformed the smartphone market. Each of these products did not just fill existing market needs but created new ones, establishing Apple as a leader in innovation. Apple's business model is unique in its integration of hardware, software, and services. This ecosystem approach ensures that Apple products work seamlessly together, providing a user experience that is difficult for competitors to match. Apple's global supply chain and operations are a marvel of modern logistics, though not without its criticisms, particularly around labor practices. The company's retail strategy, including its Apple stores, is another cornerstone of its success, offering a controlled environment to showcase its products and engage directly with customers. Apple's dominance in various markets is no accident. It's the result of a combination of innovation, aggressive marketing, and a relentless focus on user experience. The iPhone, for example, not only dominates the smartphone market in terms of profit share but has also set the standard for smartphone design and functionality. Similarly, Apple's forays into music with iTunes, wearables with the Apple Watch, and services like Apple Music and iCloud have expanded its influence. Apple's brand building is a case study in itself. Its marketing strategies have created a brand that is synonymous with innovation, quality, and a certain aspirational lifestyle. Campaigns like Think Different and iconic product launches have cemented Apple's position in the consumer psyche. This branding effort extends to its retail experiences and product design: sleek, minimalist, and distinctive. Apple enjoys a level of customer loyalty that is rare in the tech world. This loyalty is driven by the quality of its products, the integration of its ecosystem, and the prestige associated with the brand. Apple is perceived not just as a technology provider but as a lifestyle brand, a status symbol, and a marker of taste and sophistication. Despite its successes, Apple has faced its share of challenges and controversies. These range from legal battles over patents to criticisms of its labor practices and environmental impact. Furthermore, the company faces the constant pressure of maintaining its innovation edge in an industry that is rapidly evolving and fiercely competitive. Apple's influence extends far beyond the technology industry. It has set trends in design, user experience, and business strategy. Its products have become deeply embedded in popular culture, influencing everything from music consumption to communication habits. Economically, Apple's impact is vast, from its contributions to the global supply chain to its role in job creation and market value. Looking to the future, Apple faces both challenges and opportunities. The company must navigate a saturated market, evolving consumer preferences, and the need for continual innovation. However, opportunities in new product categories like augmented and virtual reality, autonomous vehicles, and continued growth in services hold promise for Apple's continued relevance and dominance. In conclusion, Apple's journey from a small startup in a garage to a global technology powerhouse is a story of innovation, strategic foresight, and a relentless pursuit of excellence. As it moves forward, Apple continues to shape not just the technology industry, but the very way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. If you found this helpful and informative, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more such content, and yes, don't forget to share it with your friends and family who loves using Apple products.